Hello my viewers, welcome back to Kid Foods, a channel which is full of amazing videos. So guys, if you are new in this channel, please view my videos, like, share and subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, karibu sana. Guys, from that Nile Perch, this one I want to make a stew out from this. So just keep tuned and see the stew or the sauce that I'm going to make from this, or how to cook Nile Perch stew. Keep tuned, guys. So guys, I have these 3 small tomatoes because the fish is not so much for the stew. I've already placed my pan on a charcoal jiko heating so that I can make this fish. So I'll start, guys, by chopping the tomatoes. For this recipe, I'm going to use spring onions, not red onions. You know, the aroma of spring onion is so nice for a stew. So you can see, this is what I have. So keep tuned, guys. I'm going to use spring onions, not so much. Okay, the aroma, guys, is already there. I love spring onions. Spring onions make food taste whoa. So guys, after this cooking oil, put vegetable salad. Just enough of it. Let my onions cook. So keep tuned, guys. Spring onions are cooking well, and guys, the aroma that it has. So whoa. My spring onion has a very nice aroma, guys, and now I have to put my tomatoes. I'm gonna have a very enjoyable lunch. Nile Perch, stewed Nile Perch. So I'll just let the tomatoes cook well. Just keep tuned, guys. My tomatoes are cooking well. I just want to add one side, the curry, fish curry, or maybe roy coffee. So I have this spice that I want just to add flavor to my stew. To add flavor to my stew. So this has garlic and ginger in it. It's tomatoes with ginger flavor, garlic in it, and tomatoes. So you can see how it looks. I'll just add the water, not so much. Then you give it a stir. This is now I'm preparing Nile Perch stew. Some salt to taste. Then stir well. Then add little again. So at this point now I should just cover it and let the water boil before I put in my Nile Perch. I'll just cover it and give it at this time. So guys, just to check on my paste, it is done. You can see it is ready. And now what I'm going to do is just to then I'll just cover it and give it a few minutes, like 30 minutes to cook, 30 or 45 minutes to cook. So keep tuned, guys. Back to my stew. You can see how my Nile Perch stew is doing. Look at the stew, guys. It's looking so nice. So I just want to serve it and see how it is. So keep tuned, guys. Yes, 45 minutes are over and it's ready. So I just want to serve it. Look at this, the stew, guys. Wow, looking so amazing. Ooh. Guys, please view this video, like, share and subscribe, give it a thumbs up. So here you can serve it with some vegetable and ugali. So thank you for watching this video. Give it a like. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye.